Hello, for those of you that need some help with how to get to databases and use them effectively, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to do that and where to go. So go, first of all, to the Boswell High School webpage, and you're gonna go to the library tab, and then you click on databases. Once you click on databases, you can scroll down here. I'm gonna use Gale to show you today, but any of them are fine. Remember, the password is Boswell lowercase. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Gale. And then when we go over here to Gale, you're going to see all these other things. All you need to do is click in Power Search, okay? And so I'm going to type in, I'm thinking about my topic about hard work is more important to success, and so I'm gonna type in hard work and success. Notice I used keywords. I didn't write like a big full sentence. And you might have to play with different keywords and different ways to say different ideas, but if you play around with it, you should get everything you need. So then it pulls up all these sources. I see magazines, academic journals, books, news. So I'm just gonna look at the magazines to start, but I can literally click through any of these using just that keyword search, and I have lots and lots of good things to choose from. But I'm just gonna start with the magazines, and then I just read kind of the headline, and there's even kind of some subtext under here that shows a little bit what it's about. So I'm gonna click on here. This is from an interview. And then again, notice when you look at your citation page and it's asking what kind of source is it, it says right here, article, interview, brief article, cover story, whatever, okay? You can just write that and that's your type of source. So I click on that, and then it pulls up the article, and I can read through. If it looks like what I need, I go ahead and click send to OneDrive. And so it says documents have been sent to my OneDrive. If you're not already logged in, you might just have to log in real quick, but there it is. And so then when I go over here to my OneDrive, I have a lot of files because I use this for all my stuff, but I just scroll down here to where it says Power Search. And I click on Power Search, and then boom, there's my article, okay? And so what you need to do to be prepared for inserting facts into your paper is I expect to see 4 different sources in here, and they can all be database sources because remember, we have lots of different types of sources that we can look at, right? I could click over to academic journals and see what else there is related to my topic. So just by getting a couple of keywords right, you can find lots and lots of good sources, okay? So once you've got those in your Power Search and you see 4 things in here, you're good to go. And then you can look at those and actually even use the citation that's already there to create your works cited page.